This tutorial has been done in accordance with e-Mjet Operations Manual Part A.
The electronic flight log has to be completed and submitted after each flight. Start and log into the EFB Suite application. Choose the flight, initialized during pre-flight. Fill in the mandatory red fields. Remaining fuel. Block and flight times. Number of landings, if more than one. Takeoff thrust used. Checkout times. Pushing the blue checkout label will automatically calculate and fill the times. Tick the nil box if there are no defects on aircraft. Type the APU hours. If the flight had been delayed, the reason and delay time must be specified. Would it be any technical problem on aircraft, it has to be stated both in electronic and paper format. Fill in the paper work order. The work order number has to be specified in the e-log. Touch the Add button. Describe the defect. Type the work order number. If the defect can be rectified before the next flight, push OK to store the work order in the system. If the defect cannot be fixed before the next flight, it must be deferred to MEL and transferred to the hold item list. Check the MEL for the ATA chapter, category and due date. Write the defect on the hold item list. Record in the work order the hill page, line and category, then sign. The photos of signed work order and hill has to be emailed to the company maintenance coordinator. If the defect has been transferred to the hold item list, tick the box Add to Hill. Insert the mail code. If the defect requires operational procedures, tick the box O. If the defect requires maintenance procedures, tick the box M. Select the due date as found in MEL. Push OK to confirm. The appropriate message box will confirm transfer to Hill. The anti-icing data has to be entered, with the aircraft being treated before the flight. Enter the start time of anti-icing. Enter the holdover time, refer to HOT table. Select the type of anti-ice fluid. Choose the water fluid mixture. Enter the quantity of anti-icing fluid used and any other additional details on de-icing. If a low visibility approach, real or simulated, had been done, the ammo field should be completed on the e-log. Select the approach type. The EVS approaches should be entered as Cat 2 approaches. Select the result of approach. Simulated, real, and successful, unsuccessful. Having all these done, sign the post-flight. Push the button, enter username and password. Hand sign, then push send. Confirm post-flight and correctitude of entered data. The flight data stored message will confirm the successful delivery to the server.